Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can import Roblox Studio models into Blender. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show how I can do it. So first of all, we're going to launch up a Roblox Studio project. I'm going to use one of the base templates that Roblox has got. As you can see, I'll use this racing, for example. Okay. And once I am in the racing world and all the assets load in, I'm going to start and move, and let's say I want this barrel, okay? So if you actually click on the barrel, I actually can't seem to just select it. So what you do is actually you navigate to the top left corner, and then you've got something called select. Once you got select, then now I'm going to select the barrel, and all the on the Explorer is going to appear. It's going to have all the stuff that I've got that I can use. So then after that, once we have the assets on the right over here, we're going to right click, and then from there we're going to click on export selection. Then we're going to click on it, and then we have it made as object model files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on B, and I'm going to just name it barrel, for example. Then I'm going to save it. After that, if I close, and then once I close the Roblox Studio project, okay, I have all of these objects over here on the on my screen. Okay, these are the graphics or the things that give looks to the barrel, and this is the barrel itself. So I want to export only the barrel. So now I'm going to open the Blender, and once Blender opens, I'm going to open a new file. I'm going to name it and I'm going to go into general, and from there, as you can see on the right, there is all the scenes. There's the camera, the cube, and the lighting. So how can I import that barrel or import that object is through going all the way to the top to the left until you click on File, and then you go down all the way until you find Import. Then you make sure to use a wavefront or .obj and click on it, and then go to the place where you saved your object. In my case, it's the desktop. Then I'm going to use there are two ways: the barrel object, which is only without the graphics or without the textures, and there's the MTL. This is with the textures. In my case, I want only the object, so I'm going to click on Import Wave Front OBJ. Once I click on it, as you can see, I have the barrel over here, but it doesn't appear. But what I need to do is just only zoom out, and as you can see, here's the barrel. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.